Good morning, students of class 10th. I, Sabah Shaheen, your biology teacher, welcome you all again in this amazing class and hope so you all are fit and fine, healthy and also studying with us. Today, I will continue biology of class 10th, lesson number 1, that is life processes. Students, before starting the class, I have a notice for you all. It is informed you that now stationery shops are opening. You can purchase your copies and books from there and complete your work on fair copy. Understand all of you? Students, you just see this diagram. This diagram will show you what we are going to learn in this particular class. Can you guess what is this? Yes, these are kidneys. And today we are going to discuss about excretion. Students, you know, kidneys are the main excretory organ of the human body. Now let's move into the topic excretion. The process of removal of toxic wastes from the body of an organism is called excretion. Students, till now we have seen different metabolic activities which goes in our body. So, these metabolic activities also create some wastes material. There are many body parts which are important to removing these wastes. Just like urinary system removes excess water, ammonia, urea and salt. Respiratory system disposes carbon dioxide through the lungs. And skin sweats out excess of salt and urea. Students, different organisms have different strategy. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, waste is excreted through the surface. But in case of multicellular organisms have a specialized system for excretion. Now, excretion in humans. The excretory system of human beings consists of the following main organs: pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Now let's discuss the excretory system of the human. Okay, look at here, the renal artery which brings in dirty blood into the kidneys. Okay, and the kidney clean our body by filtering it, and the clean blood which is carried by the renal vein. Okay, and the ureter or the connector between the kidney and the urinary bladder which carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. Okay, and the urine collected in the bladder is passed out from the body through the urethra. Okay, understand all of you? Students, this is the diagram of working of nephron. Okay, now the mechanism of urine formation. It involves 3 steps. One is glomerular filtration. Blood is filtered from the glomerular into the Bowman capsule of the nephron, because we know that nephron has 2 parts, Bowman capsule and tubule. Okay, and this filtrate passes through the tubule. Okay, now next is tubular reabsorption. Now useful substance from the filtrate like the sodium, potassium, glucose, etc. are reabsorbed by the capillaries surrounding the nephron into the blood. And third step is secretion. Urea, extra water and salts are secreted into the tubule, this blue tubule, and which open up into the collecting duct, urine collecting duct, and then into the ureter. Okay, students, the process of excretion which I have discussed, you can write from here. Okay, now this is the mechanism of urine formation which involves 3 steps. You all have to write from here. Okay, just write down from here. Now next topic is dialysis, the process of removal of nitrogenous wastes by artificial method. So the people whose kidney does not work properly undergoes dialysis. Now our next topic is excretion in plants. The main waste products produced in plants are carbon dioxide, water vapor and oxygen. Carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor are removed through the stomata in leaves and lenticels in stems. Plants also store some wastes in their body parts. The plants get rid of these wastes by shedding of leaves, peeling of bark and felling of fruits. So students, this brings us to the end of the chapter. All the life processes plays an important role in the proper functioning of the human body. Now it's time for the homework. You all have to learn and write about the excretion in human. Okay? Students, after the completion of this chapter, there will be an online test for you all. So prepare all these topics. And again, I informed you that now stationery shops are opening. You can purchase your books and copies from there and complete your work on fair copy. So with this, I end my class today. Enjoy your day. Keep on learning throughout the day. Bye friends. Take care of you.